Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a VHS noise effect to your videos using CapCut PC. Let's get started. Drag and drop your video clip onto the timeline. Click the Effects tab in the toolbar and navigate to Video Effects. Search for VHS noise in the search bar. Click the plus icon on the bottom right corner of the VHS noise effect to add it to your timeline. Adjust the effect's duration by dragging the edges of the effect layer to match your desired length. Preview your video to ensure the effect aligns with your creative vision. On the right panel, fine-tune parameters like effect speed if needed. For an authentic retro vibe, go to the Audio tab and click Sound Effects. Search for glitch or noise-defined matching audio. Drag the sound effect to the timeline and align it with the VHS noise effect for synchronized results. That's it! Your video now has a classic VHS aesthetic. Thanks for watching.